Marbles number 2. Continue my series of unique axes and hatchet in my collection. Check this out, made in USA. This one is the older version, looks like 1898 the year it was made or designed. Marbles number 2, you see there's a name of it. These ones are kind of expensive. There's all over the place quality. This one used a little bit, so you could probably polish it up and clean it up, refurbish it, make it look perfect. But I think this is called safety axe. They also make them steel to these days. They're actually not that expensive. The new ones with the wooden handle. There's other ones with the like nail puller on the back. Those are really rare. But that's another rare axe in my collection. It's called safety axe. So you use it, you flip it this way. I guess you can put it in your like sack or whatever, backpack. That way it won't cut. But at the same time folds it into the handle, so that way it hides away, and when you use it, it's not in the way at all. Boom. This right here, newer version of the axe. It's not very expensive, maybe 150 bucks, depends what you get it. I think I only paid like 50 bucks on Amazon. As you can see, it's a wooden handle, and there's a flipper right here for safety. Marbles safety axe, but nothing about it is vintage, you see, just a newer stuff. It doesn't have a number or anything. Flips out, beautiful. I bought a like a cheaper one, so that I actually use it. The vintage one I'm probably never gonna use it. Definitely need sharpening. It's not sharp at all, so probably why it's cheaper as well, because it came unsharpened as well. There you go, pretty beautiful axe. I like that one.